First, of course, x must be greater than 0 because we cannot have 0 in the numerator and we have square root, so we calculate square root of positive values. Next, I will change radical to power form. So let me copy integral symbol and we have square root of x, so this is x to power 1/2 minus 2. We have cube root, so it will be x squared to power 1/3. Next, we have to copy 4 and we have fourth root, so it will be 5 times x to third power to power 1/4. And the numerator is 6. We have cube root, so it will be x to power 1/3 with respect to x. So this is equal. Now we can change our expression to x over 1/2 to power 1/2 over 6 times x to power 1/3 minus we have 2 times x to power 2 times 1/3 is 2/3 over 6x to power 1/3. Next we have 4 times we have 5x cubed to power 1/4 over 6x to power 1/3. This is integral with respect to x. This is equal. We have integral of difference and sum, so we can rewrite to difference and sum of integrals. So it will be integral of x to power 1/2 over 6 x to power 1/3 with respect to x minus, we can reduce 2 and 6, so will be 3 integral of x to power 2 over 3 over 3x to power 1/3 with respect to x plus 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So will be integral of 2/3 times we have in numerator 5x to third to power 1/4 over x to power 1/3 with respect to x. So this is equal. We have integral of, when we have the same base, we have to subtract exponents, so will be 1/6 x to power 1/2 minus 1/3 with respect to x minus, and we have integral of 1/3 x to power 2/3 minus 1/3 with respect to x plus, and we have integral of 2/3 and we have 5 to power 1/4. We can write over 1 times will be x. We have x to third power to power 1/4, so it will be x to power 3/4 minus, when we have the same base, we have to subtract the exponent, minus 1/3. So with respect to x, so this is equal. We can take this constant before integral symbol, so will be 1/6 integral of x to power. We have to have the same denominator when we have to subtract fraction, So numerator will be 6 and will be 3 minus 2 dx minus 1/3 we can take before integral symbols. So we have integral of x to power 1/3 with respect to x plus, and we can take constant before integral, so it will be 2/3, and we have 4√5, and integral of x to power, we have to have the same denominator. 4 and 3 we have, so the denominator will be 12, and we have 3 in numerator times 3, so it will be 9 minus 1 times 4 is 4 with respect to x. So this is equal, we have 1/6 integral of x to power 1/6 with respect to x minus 1/3 integral x to power 1/3 dx plus, we have to copy constant, and we will have integral of x to power 9 minus 4 is 5/12 with respect to x. Now we will use integral of power function formula. Let me remind you, when we have integral of x to n power with respect to x, this is equal x to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus, of course, constant, because we have indefinite integral. Of course, n is different than -1. In first integral, we have n equals 1/6. So first we have to copy constant. Next, we have to put in numerator x to power 1/6 plus 1 over 1/6 plus 1 plus constant, of course, because this is first integral, I put C1 minus 1/3 we have to copy, and we have x to power 1/3 plus 1 in numerator. In the numerator we have 1/3 plus 1 plus C2 plus, we have to copy constant, 2/3 fourth root of 5 times, this is x in numerator to power 5/12 plus 1 over 5/12 plus 1 plus constant C3. So this is equal, we have 1/6 times, in numerator will be x to power 7/6, the numerator will be the same like exponent, 7/6. Next, I will put expression with x's, so it will be minus 1/3 times x to power 4/3, denominator is the same, 4/3, plus we have 2/3 fourth root of 5 times x to power, we have to have the same denominator, so it will be 12. 12 plus 5 is 17/12. The denominator is the same like exponent, 17/12. And we can combine this constants, so it will be C. So this is equal. Now, because we have division, we can flip the fractions, so it will be 1/6 times 6/7 times x to power, we have 7/6, so we can put to power 7 and to power 1/6 minus, we have 1/3 times 3 over 4 times x to power 4 and to power 1/3. We can rewrite plus 2 over 3 4 root of 5 times 12 over 17, and we have x to power 17 to power 12 plus c. So this is equal to power, of course, 1 over 12. So this is equal 6 and 6 we can reduce. So we have 1 over 7 times will be 6 root of x to 7 power minus 3 and 3 we can reduce 1 over 4, and we have cube root of x to 4 power plus, and we can reduce 3 with 12 will be 4, so it will be 2 times 4 is 8 over 17, and we have to copy 4 root of 5, and we have 12 root of x to power 17 plus c. So we are finished.